How to get Messenger Meta AI. Most of you may have heard about the Messenger Meta AI, that is a new feature on Messenger, but you do not know how to use that. Just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Facebook application on your mobile device. After you tap on the Facebook application, you can see an interface like this. After that, you have to go to the message like icon on the top, that in the Messenger application. And after you tap on the Messenger application, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top. Now after you go to the three lines on the top, now here you can see the very option of the very Meta AI on your Messenger. But if any day you do not see the option of the very Meta AI or the chatbot Meta AI on your Messenger application, it may be because Messenger Meta AI had not been brought to your very mobile device already and to your Messenger account. And it may be that the Meta AI has not been introduced to your country as well. So if that, you have to wait for a while. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then go to the Play Store there. And if you see the Messenger application there, you have to go to the option of update, because sometimes after updating your application as well, you can find the very Meta AI option on your Messenger. And any day, if the Messenger Meta AI option is now available on your mobile device, you can directly find it on your Messenger account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.